I'm happy to be home. Look at my new tablet.
Good morning, everyone.
My tablet is the newest one.
Your bag is so old.
It's okay. I like my bag. These are very expensive.
Now, choose your partner. Tom and Oliver, please work together.
Okay, you can sit here. Wow, you're really smart.
Let me help you.
Thank you, Tom.
Excellent work, Tom.
I was wrong about you.
I want to be a better friend.
It's time to play!
I like my new tablet. School is over. See you tomorrow. Goodbye, Oliver.
Oliver dropped his wallet.
This is Oliver's wallet.
I must return it.
Oliver, wait! You dropped your wallet.
My wallet. Thank you, Tom.
Nothing is missing.
You're an honest person.
Thank you so much, Tom. I really appreciate this. It was the right thing to do.
The Scratum Troksan. Honesty is always important.
I'm sorry for laughing at you.
Please forgive me.
Of course. We're friends. I'm glad we're friends now. Good morning, Tom.
I'm sorry for being rude.
I forgive you.
I'm proud of both of you.
Let's study together. We can do it together.
Pass the ball, Tom.
Friends are more important than money. Kindness, honesty, and friendship are life's greatest treasures.